This is room 129, home of the princesses. The place where we shared our tears, our laughters, our joys, our failures, our discouragement, our failures. No, it's not a failure. Heartache. This is the place where you could see happy people, very happy people, but behind those smiles are rotten hearts. Like me. You sing. And like this road I want to go. Ah, you are mine, you sing. Now and forever wonderful journey. I thought you'll be singing. This is Artemus. Now see her? This is our seductive mouth. Your seductive mouth. Yeah. This is our no Chris bed. This is our anime fanatic. This is our Kalut B1 girl. And this is our Tago Pagkaon girl. Hey, you're mine. And this is our dramatic girl. Where is she? Here. Yeah. That's enough. This is our Christmas tree. Hello, it's not lighting. I knew there was somebody somewhere. Left me alone in the dark. Now I know our computers, what we called as this quarantine. Aqua is there. Kizzy is dead already. No, Kayusha is there outside living, kicking. No. This is Bigosage. This is our kitchen.